Do you want to know the fastest and easiest way to create content on YouTube and make money? You can turn articles that are already out there on the internet into videos very easily, and you don't need any technical skills or previous experience. Just copy and paste is totally legal, and I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it step by step. You just have to be persistent with this method and repeat the process. And you could do it for completely free or very little money. But make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to share with you exactly how you can make even more money with no extra work. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first step, of course, is to pick a profitable niche you would like to create content around on your channel. I do have 2 videos I will post below you can watch to see what niches are the most profitable, but in this video I'm going to use the health niche as an example. After picking what your channel will be about, we need to find videos that have already been proven to get views. For example, I found this channel in the health niche, and you can see most of their videos are not getting many views, but this one right here has 298,000 views, and it was created 9 months ago. We're going to use this video idea to find an article to convert into a video. And these are just some other great ideas I found for videos, and these videos have gotten millions and millions of views. Benefits of jumping rope every day, why should you sleep with garlic under your pillow, and what causes insomnia. But again, we're going to use the example of jump rope versus running, which one is better. So the next thing you'll do is go to Google and search that keyword, jump rope versus running, which is better. And you look for shorter articles that have bullet points that can be easily made into a video. So I found this one here, jump rope versus running, is one better than the other. And you can see there's a lot of good information here. The next step is to go to a software called InVideo. And you'll choose text to video right here. You want to leave it on wide, which is the size you want for YouTube. But you can see there are many templates here that you can choose from, and you can change anything on them later. So just choose one that you like. I'm going to pick this one right here. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about creating a part-time or even a full-time income with an automated YouTube channel or growing your existing channel, I do have a free masterclass, which I think you'll get a ton of value from. Click the first link in the description below this video and you'll get access to it. And then just click on use this template. I did want to mention before we go any further that you can use InVideo for free, but it'll have a watermark on the videos. But if you're really serious about creating videos, I would recommend getting the paid version. You can see what you can get with that. For $15 a month, you get 60 video imports, $30 a month. You get unlimited video exports per month. I do have the paid version, and I do recommend it, not just because I'm an affiliate, but I will leave a link in the description below this video. And again, I will earn a small commission if you do purchase through my link. So what you want to do after you click on the template is scroll down here where it says add your URL here. So you just go ahead and paste the URL right here, and then click on fetch. Then you'll click on auto summarize right here, and then it'll just summarize the article and make it into scenes. But this is super important. You need to reword this information to make it unique. You don't want to just use someone's article word for word, because that is plagiarism. You can use these ideas for inspiration, but not copy. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use a free software called QuipBot to change the wording of the script to make it unique. I do recommend rewriting it one more time in your own words to make it even more unique. Will this take work? Absolutely. But wouldn't it be worth it to be making money like this channel in the health niche? So we're going to take each one of these scenes and put it into QuipBot to have it reworded. So we're going to copy this here, go to QuipBot, which is free, and paste it in there, and click on paraphrase. And then you can see that it is reworded in different words that makes it unique. Then you'll take this new sentence and put it back into InVideo right here. And you'll repeat that for all the different scenes. You do want to make sure that it does sound grammatically correct. And then after you do that, for each scene, you want to click on Go to Storyboard. And then it will automatically load. And you can see the software takes the words and picks video clips that relate. Now, this isn't always 100%, so you will go through and change the clips so that it does relate to what's being said. So this one, for example, we would want to add something having to do with jumping ropes, since that's what it's talking about. And we go over here and click on video and then just search jumping rope, and you can see all the different videos that come up. And then you just drag to add it over here. So you just drag it right here. And then you're going to click on trim video to fit scene, and then done. You can see that it's added there. So you just do that for all the different scenes, and then you can click on preview all. Of course, you can change the font and the colors or anything really by clicking on the different things on the left hand side here. You also want to make sure that the text isn't too long, and if it is, you can reword it to make it shorter. I would highly recommend you add a voiceover in order to get monetized, and that is when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and you get paid when advertisers place ads on your videos, like these channels right here. Stick around because I'm going to share with you a super powerful way to make money with these videos in just a minute with no extra work. So you can do the voiceover yourself or have someone do it by reading the script and adding it here in Advanced Editor. You can see right here where you just click on voiceover. Again, you can import it from your uploads if someone else does it for you, or if you do it yourself, you just click on voiceover and you'll just simply read what's on the screen. After that, you can preview the video, make sure it's what you want, and then export the video. From there, you can upload it to YouTube, and you want to make sure you SEO optimize it by adding the main keyword to the first part of the title 2 to 3 times in the description, and have the main keyword be the first keyword in your tags. So you want to continue to make videos on a consistent basis. Like we just talked about, I would recommend 3 times a week, a minimum. Or you're just getting started, I would say 1 a day. You can see some of these larger channels here, they do post once a day. That would be ideal, but the main thing is to be consistent in your uploads and to pick a number that you'll do every week and stick with it. Then you'll see which videos are performing well and do more videos like that. So how can you make even more money than just with Google AdSense? And before you're monetized, you can do that through affiliate marketing. You can do a search for affiliate programs on Google in your niche, and there are a lot of them out there, or you can simply sign up for free for the Amazon affiliate program. And then you can place links in the description of your video. For example, the video we created, jump rope versus running, which one is better? You could have a call to action at the end of your video saying, for our #1 recommendation on a jump rope and running gear, check out the description of this video. And then you could sign up to be an affiliate for Amazon, and when you sign in, you'll simply find the product that you want to recommend. So let's say we wanted to recommend this jump rope. You click on that, and then right up here where it says get link, you'll just click on text, and that would be the link that you would put in the description of your video. You can also go to Google and search fitness affiliate programs and sign up and put products related to fitness in the description of your videos. You have a lot of different links in there because people who are looking for this particular keyword are most likely interested in getting in shape and health and fitness. So you could have maybe like top 10 recommendations for fitness equipment. You could even have like a treadmill in there, which of course you would make more commissions with that. But there is a cookie where, let's say they don't purchase whatever it is that you are promoting, whatever it is that you have a link to, anything that they add to their cart within 24 hours, you'll earn a commission on. So that's really good, and it can definitely add up. In addition to the ad revenue when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money turning articles into videos. And if you like this video, I think you get a ton of value from this next video. 7 ways to make money from home up to $3,000 per month. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.